In this lesson, we're going to learn about angles of triangles. So triangle-angle relationships. And before we begin, we're going to review. So first off, naming a triangle. So we name a triangle by the vertices, the three angles that are made here. So this is going to be called triangle ABC. And as we know from way back to elementary school, triangles are three-sided polygons. So the sides for this triangle is side AB, side BC, and side AC. And then the angles, so we can name them by the vertex, so this could be angle A, or we can use three letters as long as A is in the middle, so we could call it angle BAC. Truthfully, which way you name it depends on the picture. I typically go with angle A simply because it's easier and I just have one triangle here. But if I have more than one triangle, then I probably am going to use the three letters. So the other angle would be angle B or angle ABC. And then the last angle is angle C or angle ACB. Okay, so quick review. Now, next thing you want to talk about is interior angles. So notice in this picture that I have here, I've got this triangle that's made up, it's formed by three lines. And so the lines are intersecting. So notice how I've got a lot of inside angles and outside angles. My interior angles are inside or what we call vertex angles. So in this picture here, my inside angles, and that's inside or vertex angles of a triangle. And so my inside angles are angles 4, 6, and 9. So angle 4, 6, and 9 are my interior angles. Now, exterior angles are your outside angles of a triangle. But they're outside angles that form a linear pair with the interior angles. So in this picture, let's say angle 4. Well, what angle forms a linear pair with angle 4? That would be angle 2 and angle 3. So my exterior angle would be angle 2 and angle 3. Okay, well, what about angle 9? So angle 9 forms a linear pair with angle 10 and angle 12. So angle 10 and angle 12 are exterior angles. And then last would be angle 6. So in angle 6, what forms a linear pair with angle 6? That would be angle 5 and angle 8. So just because it's an outside angle, like 1, 7, and 11, that doesn't mean they're exterior angles. They are the angles that form a linear pair. And so then the last bit of review that's important is known as the remote interior angles. The remote interior angles, so that's going to be so notice in this picture how you've got this line, and then you've got this triangle that's made off of this line. So the remote interior angle is going to be the angles that are made that are not touching this angle here. this exterior angle here. So this angle is the exterior angle. And so then now angle B and angle BAC are my remote interior angles. And so what's going to be special about this is angle, well, you're going to learn about a theorem that goes along with this, but I want you to note that angle ACB and angle ACD are supplementary because they're a linear pair, so they're going to add up to 180 degrees. So notice in this picture how we have a linear pair, which creates that exterior angle, and your remote interior angles are the angles that are not touching the exterior angle. So that is your vocabulary for your remote interior angles. So now we're going to use this vocabulary to learn about your triangle angle relationships.